Walking on Sunshine is a really summery song and it's full of life and energy, and you can have so much fun with this song. It's a relatively easy song to sing. The chorus is probably the trickiest bit in there, so if we have a little look at that. I'm walking on sunshine, whoa. So my hands are showing the pitch, the high and the low notes and the bits in between. So listen again. I'm walking on sunshine, whoa. Then the next line, I'm walking on sunshine, whoa. So it's the same as the previous one. And the next one is the same again. I'm walking on sunshine, whoa. And don't it feel good? Or you could go, and don't it feel good? All right now, and don't it feel good? And again, you could go good, depending on which one you would prefer to sing. If you wanted to do both of them, you could have two groups and each one sing each one of those notes and you'll have a lovely harmony part. Now, that chorus comes a couple of times throughout the song and it's exactly the same. The other tricky bit is at the end where you've got don't it, don't it, don't it, don't it, don't it, don't it feel good, and I'll say it, I'll say it, I'll say it again now, and so on. It's quite tricky to get all of those words in. So instead of singing all of those, if you want to make it a little bit simpler, you could go walking on sunshine. And you can repeat that phrase over and over again. Walking on sunshine. Walking on sunshine. And we're just going to hold the shine and drop our jaws down, so it's a nice shine instead of shine, because we don't want it to sound thin and nasal or coming down our nose. So walking on sunshine. And that's all there is to this one. Have lots of fun, break out dance moves and lots of energy in this one.